Now, if you can pickle a cucumber, you can pickle anything. Now that reminds me of Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Moreton-Jones and this is Gary's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. On this channel we make food taste better, so hit that subscribe button right now. And today we are going to be pickling cucumbers, and it's nice and easy. It's going to be a short and sweet video, or should I say sour, salty and sweet, depends how you want to take it, missus. And today we're going to be pickling cucumbers. Okay, pickling liquid, here we go, easy peasy. Let's make some pickles. Please give the pickled vegetables a go, they are delicious. Thank you for watching, thank you for getting to this part of the video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already, because all the support is really welcome. Click that little bell, ping ping ping, and that will give you notifications of upcoming videos, of more videos are coming out. If you want more videos now, it's coming up next. Take care now, happy cooking, that's Gary's Kitchen now. See you next time now, bye now.
Papa, what are you pickling?
My name's Gary Moreton-Jones and welcome back to my channel. That's amazing, smoke me a kipper. I'll be back for breakfast.